Wait, the support has less potion, man. Support doesn't have potion left. I still have it though, so I should be fine. But yeah, I
Oh,
want the
I
yearning if
got burned
possible.
to death.
Well, rip. Okay, well, it's just me and like a 30 bar of like the boss right here. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Huh. Legendary book. I think like most people have it already if they're gonna do that. So yeah, I think if you're somewhere like closer to ancient, you should have that, bro. Okay, it is but not with 7-7. Yep.
Is it
But
gonna...
I think like most people that are going to ancient should have like 2 legendary already, or at least like before they buy ancient, they'll buy like the legendary. But yeah, it's not gonna be as much. Don't bank on it, man. I'm just saying, don't bank on it. Cause like I think like you know, even if it does happen like that, it will be like a minuscule, like a, you know, it won't like matter as much basically. Okay, let's go. Stagger again, man. Stagger again. Okay, I don't want it, man. I don't want it, bro. I don't want it. Okay. This time it's not like staggerable right here. Okay. Gazillions of books to sell because of them restriction selling them like I have stockpiled them. Well, I mean like if you stockpile them then you can sell them like basically all in one go. So yeah. Shouldn't be like an issue there. Okay, sell all of them like in one go as like basically one stack of like 20 or something like that basically. That's all you need to do. I throw. Okay, I throw. Okay, should hit right here.
Yeah, or next
Okay.
one.
I'm gonna try to avoid like the red starting now right here because I think like red is probably like a waste of time at this point. Uh-oh, not the fire, dude, please. Not the fire, not the fire. And that thing hits me, of course. That's why like we avoid the red. What the? Still hits me as well, man. This stupid thing actually is annoying, dude. Annoying. Okay, I think our damage is like slower by like a 10 bar. What the fuck, dude? It's not like 94 yet. Ow. Dude, sometimes the hitbox, man. We're not even there. On the right side.
Okay, go
Okay.
out.
Yep, already out.
And then put I.
Okay, let's see. I'll take 5. I or what? I'm not I. I'm counter this time. This time I'm counter. Okay. Cleave, bro. Cleave time. Cleaving. Okay, there we go. Should be good.
Powder, maybe.
Did I get it? Okay, nice. I throw. Throw again. Alright, let's see. No red buff on me right now, so I'm fine, I guess. No bleeding here. No bleeding. Yeah, now we stagger again. So it's 2 stacks so far, so
Let him
this is fine.
stacker.
Yep, so still 2 stacks. No. Okay. Got the red buff. I don't want it actually. I don't want the red buff right now. Okay, 68. Okay, surely nothing will go wrong right here. Man, starting Voldis like chat is basically dead actually. What are people doing right now? Okay, Okay, let's see. Stagger it. Oh, they will left it behind.
This
Actually.
one's gonna fail.
Leave it behind. Leave it behind. Yeah, yeah. Okay. And then like a fire again, man. Fire again. I'm working, man, working. Yeah, it's just like basically like starting in the vault deck, like people are like yeah, chat is ditch basically. So yeah, everyone's busy with their own stuff probably. Oh yeah 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 yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm raiding on my artist. She's fun. Artist, I guess. Counter. Okay, I throw again.
I throw a second one then because
Yep.
we still have time.
Got your stream on second screen, damn dude. Second stream monitor. Gearing and upgrading my Ayaya. So did you decide on Brel Yaya or not then? Oh, Shibal. Okay. Did you decide on that or not then David man? Brel Yaya or not? Working on my Ayaya. Everyone is Ayayaing, yeah, I guess. Fucking hell, dude. Everyone just working on Ayaya, that's why. Okay, just busy. Okay, abandoning me, man. Abandoning like streamer for Ayaya. Fucking like a degenerates, bro. Okay, after this, I think like, should throw it or not? Yeah, I think like we can just leave it behind actually. Yeah, no, just leave it behind. I think. Wait, but then is he gonna go out or not? Okay, there we go. He's out anyway. He's out. Yeah, center. Up. Okay, we have 4 men for now. Avoid like a red buff. Not enough DPS. DPS Ayaya. It's a Brel, yeah. Okay, so it is a Brel Ayaya then. Alright. Seems fair. Seems fair. Up. Right now it's support gatekeeping. Time to roll DPS again. It's mainly like rather than support gatekeeping, it's Ayaya gatekeeping to be honest. If you have like an Ayaya that comes in and like there's a pally that applies, usually you accept the pally. Usually still. Okay. Should be fine here.
Oh, I don't have to go in. What the fuck?
Okay, I was like already like in from the front from the start, so
I
ready
just-
for throw. It's charging
just
first. No,
wait,
throw,
just
just throw. Okay, I throw already. Okay, ready destruction soon. He should be like swapping here. Or
Wait.
not, I guess. Yeah, didn't throw like fast enough from the start, so. Okay, well, get away again then. Who has 2 right here?
I have.
Okay,
I don't have it,
he's
I don't
charging
have it.
first and then like a fire after.
I'm still cooldown.
Okay, just throw in front of him. Okay, throw now, throw. Oh shit, the throwing is not good, man.
I mean, like, someone doesn't stack with us.
Yeah, it's
I
the
think
thing.
he
I
won
was
the
in the
last.
center.
He jumped out. I think.
I'll throw the next one. This is my last one too. So yeah, I'll throw the next one.
First. Just wait for the charge first.
Yep, charging again.
We have enough time. So
Okay, fire first. Up.
Center only. Center.
yeah, just ping it.
Yeah, should be fine here. Oh wait, anyone they have more? Like throw it again. So yeah. Okay, wait, what? Oh, we staggered it. So okay, someone has to throw again. I don't have it. It's okay. We have time because we still think.
I don't
Next
know.
time it's off cooldown. Just do it right away.
Yeah, okay. 15 seconds, yeah.
Okay, ready for stagger soon too.
Yeah, it's gonna hurt, so you cannot.
No, it's okay. It's gonna go down soon. It's gonna go down soon. And like stagger. Destruction man.
We
Destruction.
have two men.
Oh, what? The Timothy is dead as well.
Yeah,
Yeah,
attack,
because
attack.
He tanked the tail.
Well, we have like a 3 minute with like 65 bar right here. Well, that's not great.
I believe in you.
3 minute and I don't have dark grenade, man. I bring destruction. Fucking hell.
You have aggro.
I do have it, but yeah, that's like the extent of what I have right now.
I'm gonna Young Ming like whenever then I think.
Yep. Okay, let's see. My Argos couple minutes ago, like 6 Ayaya, Sork and BB 470, we had like a really nice time spamming Ayaya in chat. Yeah, just fucking Ayaya statement. It's fucking degenerates, man, degenerates. Okay, I'll use drop in on my next like transform window, I guess. Up. Okay, if you have Yongmeng, you can Yongmeng now.
Already on me.
Oh my god, so annoying, dude. Stupid like a knockback as well, knockback as well.
Oh my god. I don't have potion left.
I still have some, so. Wait, the support has less potion, man. Support doesn't have potion left. I still have it though, so I should be fine. But yeah, I want the yearning if possible. Alright. Okay, well, it's just me and like a 30 bar of like the boss right here. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Can still make it, but I'm like I hate that like I don't have my yearning actually.
You'll have max grudge soon.
Yep, soon. Wait, there is a max?
I think like 25.
What is it? It's 23 already, so. Okay, things are gonna one shot me here.
When he got max, what does it
Oh
mean?
shit! Okay, hurts, man. It hurts. Okay, I gotta play it safe right here. Okay, I used my like drop in already, so yeah. Well, time to solo this dragon, man. Really wish I have yearning right now, but it is what it is, I guess.
Please.
Hey.
Oh shit! Is it like puddle? It's puddle pattern, yeah. What the fuck? Why is it here? And why is it right now? Up.
15 seconds, yeah.
Yeah, but I mean like it's really risky, dude, right now. Okay, got it.
Nice.
Yeah. Have to like long range it actually. God damn it, man.
50%
Ooh,
at
that
least.
last pattern is like
For
way
sure.
too scary actually.
Yeah, what the fuck,
It is
man?
53%, yeah.
If you stay alive in this phase, it's the best. It's like a con.
99 second.
Well
Well,
played.
just
Did you have
another
potions
man,
left at
just
the end?
another one. I still have like a last potion, but
Oh, nice.
it's gonna one shot me anyway with that like
a
max scratch stack.
Like full aggro?
No, I still have one more adro. Cause like I adro at the end of the stack, but yeah.
Nice job, dude.